Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to search Biomed Central. Biomed Central, or BMC, is the leading open access publisher of journals in medicine, biology, and the health sciences. In this video, I'll show you how to find and access high-quality peer-reviewed articles in BMC. You can access Biomed Central through the Charles H. Trout Library website. Our web address will be in the description box below. Locate the A to Z database list. Biomed Central will be located under B in the alphabetized list for bio, and notice that there is a blue magnifying glass beside the name Biomed Central. Looking over here on the icon legend, we can see that that blue spyglass means open access and freely available. That means that you don't need a password to access Biomed Central, although I will link to a 60-second video on how to access the passwords to our other subscription databases, but you don't need it for Biomed Central. Let's go to the Biomed Central homepage. So this is the Biomed Central homepage. I want to point out that BMC publishes over 250 journals across its portfolio, covering a wide range of disciplines and specialties. And you can browse these journals by subject or in alphabetical order by clicking on this Explore Journals link at the top of the page. So here you can see the journals organized by subject here. And then you can switch this by clicking here to see an alphabetized list. To search the database, click on the search button with a magnifying glass in the top menu, and that will open the search box, and it's in here you can type your search keywords, like I will do right now. And then when you're ready to perform the search, you can either hit enter or click the spyglass. So when you perform a search, your page will refresh and hopefully show you a list of search results that match the keywords you just entered. First, you'll see how many results your search returned, and then you should know that these results are ranked by relevance, but you can resort them by date if you wish to see the most current articles first. So all articles published in Biomed Central are open access. That means they're full text and they're free for anyone to download. So to get the full text of an article, you can either click on these full text or PDF links to access the full text quickly. To share the article or get a citation, you'll need to click on the title of the result. That will take you to a page with more information about that article, but it's here that you can get the citation information and a shareable link for this article. So find the Cite This Article link somewhere near the top of the page. It's usually above the abstract but below the title. And that will take you to this section of the page where you can see a citation, although it's only in one format, so it may not be in the format of the style that you're using, so make sure it's check it and make sure it's right. You can then also get a shareable link for this article if you wanted to share it with your instructor. Use this shareable link. And finally, take note of any keywords that are provided with this article. These are hyperlinks, and you can click on them and you'll be taken to more results on these topics. In this way you can expand your search results. So that's it for Biomed Central. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at the Charles H. Trout Library, and I'll put our website in the description. Alright, happy searching.